let's go for a quick walk to Exciting Town.
It's pretty exciting because
How exciting!
we get to open this box and it's actually our box.
It's not as much fun. I like it when it's somebody else's.
Well, if you saw our video when we went to the toy fair, we actually spotted one of these and without permission, we just opened it and just looked at everything. So
They had an assembled one too, didn't they?
They did.
They had an assembled one.
We played with that one too.
We did play with that one. But yeah, this is brand new to Australia. It's been in store, came in really, really early this morning, wasn't it? It came in really, really early this morning. Yeah, it's here. They have been dispatched. For those of you who might have ordered them already,
Or maybe
not mentioning any names. But those of you who have ordered them, there has been heaps going out in the mail today.
Yes. So what's the story about this?
The story about this is, so this was an actual car. Well, an actual car. This was, to me, I actually released this back in what, 86, 87.
Later, because this is the Hot Shot 2.
This is a Hot Shot 2.
Yes.
The original one was 84, wasn't
Yes.
it?
Was it?
So this one here, and they upgraded it by putting dual rear shocks on it, didn't they?
Yeah, so the Hot Shot 2 had the two rear shocks.
That was the most important thing.
Yes, so they kept the monoshock at the front.
Yep, because that
Yep.
looks so cool.
Yep.
They changed the shock on the back.
Hot Shot 2 at the time also had a new, I guess, top plate part of the monocoque chassis
To change the receiver.
to change the
crystals,
crystals
yeah.
because people were racing a lot of Hot Shots, and to get to the crystal, you either had to cut a hole there yourself or actually rip apart the whole chassis.
The tub, yeah.
Yeah, so there's an easy access plate in there.
Yep.
And then this one is different again.
Yeah,
Because it's got some new bits in it.
yeah. So Blockhead have redesigned the roll cage,
Yeah. So
And the
overall look of
cockpit.
it, yes.
so you can see more of the driver.
Yep.
So
it's more like a real car, I guess. You can
Yeah.
imagine a real person driving it.
and this is revisions by Blockhead Motors.
That's right.
So they've styled it up. Let's jump right in. Pre-painted.
There's quite a few new bits apart from the roll cage. Okay, so this is the roll cage here.
Yes. New roll cage.
Okay, so it's much higher. There are quite a few new parts there, not just roll cage components. But I think the look is
This body here is new too.
Yep.
So it's a completely different style, the way it goes around the sway bar and everything.
Yep.
The other body was, definitely more slab-sided than that. The Hot Shot one. So it's beautiful, beautiful blue and silver finish.
Mhm.
And we've got a beautiful satin chrome brushed aluminium on the hubs, on the wheel adapters, servo saver.
actually this top part of the chassis looks different
Could well be because the bottom part was different, wasn't it, where the battery goes?
because this part here,
Yes.
yeah, this is all brand new. This part is all brand new.
Because the other one had a lid.
Yeah,
I
well, it
just
had a metal lid here, which was much wider. And this one's actually got a plate that goes over here
With a
with
plastic
Blockhead
one.
Motors actually written on it.
How cool is that? So
I didn't
that,
realize this much was different.
so that won't be part of a normal Hot Shot ever.
No, that's right. And you can see here, it actually sits higher. So you've probably got the driver sitting up higher as well as the higher roll cage.
Well, because that was when I spoke to the driver after driving the Hot Shot. That
Yes.
was his major complaint, was seeing out.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Well, this has got hex wheel adapters in it too.
So you can build it with. I don't
So
know.
it's got the originals,
Got the
which
originals.
is the three hole, and it's got the original 3 type wheels, but it's got hexes, so you
For
can
modern-
use regular wheels on it.
Oh, it's ready for the
Ready for
vintage
racing.
bash. Ready for the vintage bash.
That's it.
Is that what we're saying?
I reckon. There's hexes there.
Don't put the hex on me.
Okay, so that's brand new too. Okay, so we've got 2 bags of brand new bits.
We got nice brushed aluminium finish wheels.
Yeah, matte chrome. That's nice.
And like you said, they got that little 3-hole adapter thing.
Yep.
They really were like quite.
Well, that's brand new too.
Yeah,
There's
that's
a
the
brand new skid plate
and
battery
but
cover.
It used to be the Dickie fiber reinforced plastic thing, didn't it?
That's right. That's right. And so what they've done is there's also a new
Rear shock tower.
and then these ball captures.
That's my favorite thing.
So they must be retooled so that they're tighter,
Tight like a tiger.
like a Toyota. And then must have new bell cranks for the steering.
Better geometry.
How good is it?
There's a little tub. This
So is that new
this
too, or was that original?
1987/2022. Mecha box.
Oh, all right.
Hot Shot 2. Yeah,
Oh, so
I'm
that's,
not
that's
sure.
sort of original, but sort
but
of
it does
updated.
say 87/2022 on it, so they have slightly retooled it
Okay.
with a nod to the past. It's got the Super Gripper tires on it.
Yep.
Which are still there.
Yep. The oval pin.
It's really funny how like Kyosho have rethought their tires and made them out of somewhat of a modern compound.
Yes.
Not Tamiya.
No. Well, that's why they're giving you the Hixes then.
Bring out the plastic. Bring out the wood.
And that'll be original.
This would be original, you reckon? No blockheaderage.
Probably see it here. It's got all the timestamps and stuff on there.
1983.
Okay, original.
Yeah, 1985 on this one, actually. So there you go.
Okay.
And then you got your specials box.
Yep.
I won't open that because this is not.
There's the
Ooh,
bumper.
there's a bumper
Is that original?
sneaking under there. Wouldn't it be cool if it had like an alloy one?
Alloy.
Skid plate.
Has that been
What's
updated?
that? Drag links. One piece drag links for
That's for the sway bar.
Yeah.
Front sway bar. Not dated. Well, it's dated. Just can't read it.
dated as today. Bloody awesome.
I can't read that.
Well, it's in English.
Is
Well,
it?
part of it is. Part of it's
1985. Okay, that's original.
Japanese.
Original.
Calling it original.
Okay, so these are original bits too.
Let's get original. 87.
87. Okay.
So that is original Hot Shot 2s.
Yep.
So you got mixed bags. You got parts from 84, 85, 87, 2022.
Yep. And they're brand new. Brand new.
So what's your score out of 10?
I reckon it's a 9.5.
9.5 out of 10. What would have made it a 10?
What would have made it a 10? What would have made it a 10? I reckon if the body was clear, and then you could paint anything you want.
What color would you paint yours?
Probably green. Just be different.
Just to be different?
No?
That's weird.
Is it? Would you paint it?
That's awkward.
Not awkward at all. What are you talking about?
Not sure.
How cool is it? So you look at the front end there. Okay,
Take-
major differences would be the number plates, which are these huge. Where are they? Over here.
Point at them with your fingers. There you
I'm
go.
trying to see while I'm looking at the screen.
There you go.
And all the new headlight shapes. So it's quite a bit different.
That's heaps different. Heaps different, cuz. I like it.
Nice, isn't
They
it?
won't be around forever.
So make sure you go onto the website and click to get them, because even though we're showing you the pictures of a heap of them, they're going very, very quickly.
And
And
if you think that you'll be able to get those in 6 months or 12 months or 18 months' time, this will be a once in a lifetime deal.